The complex food that we eat needs to be broken down into simple glucose, fatty acid, amino acid, etc. Only then our body can absorb these liquefied nutrients and use them. This process called digestion happens in the digestive tract that starts from mouth or the oral cavity and ends at the anus. In the mouth, the food is chewed by teeth and mixed with saliva and turned into bolus, a slimy ball. Then through pharynx it enters esophagus. If you talk, the food may enter windpipe as pharynx is common entry point of windpipe and esophagus. Peristalsis of digestive tract and slimy mucus keep pushing food throughout the digestive tract. Stomach disinfects food and prepares the food for chemical treatment with hydrochloric acid. It also digests protein and little bit of fat. Around 6 meter long small intestine completes the rest of digestion with the help of enzymes it produces and also the enzymes from the pancreas and bile juice from the liver. Large intestine also absorbs the nutrients. So around 1.5 meter long large intestine basically absorbs water out of undigested food. Liver that produces bile for fat digestion, gallbladder that stores bile, and pancreas which produces many enzymes for digestions are not the part of digestive tract as the food doesn't pass through them. As digestion is a chemical process, absence or lack or even excess of any chemical involved in it may cause some problem. So, eat healthy and drink adequate amount of water to keep the digestive system healthy.